In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Now tap on App Notifications and click on Sort By. Following that, click on the best option for you. In my case, sort by number of notifications. Then click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like Gmail. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!